Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm doing my very first Boxycharm unboxing. Now, I have gotten Boxycharm for a really long time and I don't know why this is my very first one. It's one of the best boxes there is out there. I only really do like a Sephora Play unboxing on my channel, and that is sample sizes. So I thought I would start doing this Boxycharm unboxing because it's the only other box that I get, and also it is full-size products. So it's $21 a month. Every month they send you 4 to 5 full-size products, and you guys, the retail value of these boxes is like in the hundreds every single month. I'm shocked at the items that they're able to send for only $21. It's free shipping in the US, and you can cancel your membership at any time. It does automatically renew when you do have a subscription, but you could also, like I said, cancel it at any time. So I just wanted to show you the May box, and every month they send you like a little card with the information on it. And yeah, so in this month's box, it gives you all of the retail information. So each product is listed, it tells you a little bit about it, and then it also gives you the retail. So I'm just going to start off with, and I have looked inside my box, so let me know maybe if you guys want to see more unboxings, like if you want me to unbox it like very first, like not even look in it and see what is in it, to do that with you guys, or if you want me to like have tried some of the products before. I don't know what format, if you even would like to see an unboxing from me again. So first thing that I did try, and it's because I've heard so much great information about this, is from Pretty Vulgar. It is the ink gel eyeliner. This retails for $24. This is actually what I'm wearing on my eyes today. You guys, this was so dark, so black, so easy and creamy to work with. I love the little like inkwell, like the packaging is just so cute. Like just even sitting on top of your vanity, like this is just so nice. It's like a glass bottle, so it's like weedy and with the gold accent. Like I just think the bottle is super beautiful, so I was praying to God that the product worked really well. It's a very deep dark black product. There seems like the product goes from like the top of the gold line like all the way, so seems like there's a decent amount of product in there, and it's super black, super creamy, easy to work with. So yay for that. And like I said, $24 just for this. So already, if you were thinking of purchasing even one of these items, like just this, you would have already paid for the whole box. Okay, next thing that I see is this brush, and this is the P12 face brush. It retails for $27. This is from Aesthetica, and never tried that brand before. Let's just see. Open. Everything always comes like extremely well packaged in the boxes. Ooh, that's nice and soft. Like this would be a great bronzer brush even. So it says face brush, so I'm sure you could use it for anything that you want, but that seems like a really nice, soft, fluffy brush. Okay, and then we also got a 3-pack of brushes, and it's perfect because they sent you the gel liner from Pretty Vulgar. So you get an eyeliner brush, you get an angled brush, and then this is just a spoolie in there. So the 3-pack of these brushes retails for $45. So it just comes, you know, with a variety, but I love that they sent a brush, because honestly, when I was going through to like use this, I haven't used a gel eyeliner in a really long time. So I was like, oh my gosh, where's my gel eyeliner brush? And I wish I would have looked deeper into the box, because I would have seen they sent me one. Okay, this is awesome. Like look, a Cover FX blurring primer. This is so nice. This retails for $38, like full size. This whole box is $21. I can't get over it. This is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of fine lines. I've never used this particular one, but I've used a ton of primers from Cover FX. So let's just, okay, so it's a typical like nude-ish shade smoothing primer. Yep, that definitely does blur. That looks really nice. Feels really nice, and I can see the blurring effect on my hand. That smells good too. I love the fact that they sent that. I mean, they're not just sending like crappy makeup, they're sending like really, really good stuff, which is what I love. I've even gotten like full-size Becca products in my box before. This is the Boxycharm and Beauty Creations Matte Lip Gloss. So it retails for $10. It's a lightweight formula, provides full coverage, and it dries to a seamless, smooth, matte finish. Let's see, and it's a really pretty, like, neutrally pink color. Let's just put a little of that on. I was wearing a gloss, so I put that on over my gloss, so that's probably not the best application to even try it. It smells fruity. I like that. I really like the color, so hopefully that does dry matte and looks nice. But probably since I put it over a gloss, it's not going to do what it should. Okay, and then the last product up is it comes with a Pure Sculptor palette. This is a 4-shade sculpting palette. It has 2 highlighters and 2 matte contour shades, and this retails for $30. So they always have it like in the bubble wrap, and then they have a sleeve over it, and then plastic on the sides, and then there is that. So it has 2 deeper matte shades and 2 highlighters. These are really, really pretty. Oh, that highlighter. I wonder if it says the names of these. These highlighters are beautiful. Oh yeah. It's like 2 really pretty wearable light shades. The contour shades look a little bit dark for me. Like that one's definitely way too dark. This one I might be able to wear the lighter of the 2. And they look a little bit more cool tone than I would wear, but the highlighters are beautiful. This would be perfect for someone with medium skin tone, so I might pass this on to someone with a more medium skin tone, but that is a really good deal. Beautiful. I mean, what a good box. That's it for my Boxycharm box. So if you guys are interested, I will leave all the information linked down below. I don't know if I have a code or not with Boxycharm, if I can find a code or if I can get a code or some type of, I don't know what I have, but if there's a link that I have, it might be an affiliate link down below. I'll have to check and see. So if it is an affiliate link, I will note that under the link so that you are aware if it's an affiliate link, and if you feel comfortable choosing to use my link, you can go ahead and do so. If not, I will also leave another link if you would like to just order the box without any type of kickback to me. I will leave that option for you as well in the description box below. So let me know if you guys want to see another Boxycharm box, because I would love to do one for you. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Mwah.